You were here, now you're not. Been replaced by another. Cause it's still your face, but there's something strange. Not the one I remember. Can you please explain? Did they wipe your brain? Is this gonna be forever? Cause everything you say, everything you do is freaking me out, freaking me out. You know we used to be the same. Who the hell are you? You're freaking me out, freaking me out. And I swear I thought I knew you, but all that was yesterday. Now you turn it around, what's that about? Cause you're freaking me out, freaking me out. Think you're real, but you're fake. Think you're deep, but you're shallow. You've become what you hate. Now you're lost, just a shadow. So who pulls your strings? Cause it makes no sense that you act like you're better. You can say these things to your so-called friends, and they just might think